Hello, this is Rebecca again, and I'm about to talk about my extended pitch, but I want to share my elevator pitch so this makes sense in case you haven't seen it. Welcome to Rebecca's Relaxing Rentals. I have beautiful, clean rental cabins on 5 acres of private land on a mountaintop overviewing the beautiful Cumberland River, and this is all to yourself. Would you like to go fishing, swimming, hiking, biking, hunting, or sit by campfires and roast marshmallows? Or would you like to look at the open night sky of the beautiful stars? Or just sit and relax in the hot tub? If the answer is yes, then experience all the seasons here. In the winter, experience cool days, with a few of them snowy, or watch a beautiful blooming springtime. Or enjoy wet, hot summers on Cordell Whole Lake, or experience the fall foliage in October and November and see all the leaves change their beautiful autumn colors. With Rebecca's Relaxing Rentals, have a relaxing experience in my cabin in the woods, and then go exploring to Tennessee state parks or go to Nashville too, just an hour's drive away. Spend the day or night in Nashville and go to the Grand Ole Opry, the Country Music Hall of Fame, hear the Nashville Symphony, or go to the famous Broadway Street in downtown Nashville, where many live bands perform. Nashville is also ranked one of the top cities in the country for bachelorette parties for any ladies getting married out there. These cabins in this area are the perfect place for individuals, friends, or families to get together to have plenty of sights to see and experience. Pets are allowed too. They have plenty of land to roam on. So please feel free to contact me at 828-735-4882 for any questions, or book online instantly at www.rebeccasrelaxingrentals.com. Thanks and have a blessed day. So some of this is theoretical, Right now I use Airbnb. So I'm going to do my extended pitch referring to Airbnb, which I put a lot of hours of work into after studying for this course. I've learned a lot. I got a sincere criticism to add captions and more pictures of things to do in the area so more people will want to rent. So here's the first picture people see, and come here and you'll view the beautiful Cumberland River right here. And then these are places where you can rent your equipment, a boat, a kayak, and they're all local in the county. Then there's a beautiful spot about a mile from my house. You can go swimming. It's not a beach, but there's a boat ramp and it's really quiet. My floors are hardwood and it's perfect for pets. I do allow pets. And then that's the view of the beautiful river, and there's a little bit of the living room. And this is the porch. It's really relaxing. Everyone loves to hang out here. There's a ceiling fan too, and you can see all those beautiful views of the hills and the water. And here is when I came here to relax, and I was really stressed out, and my sister is a doctor and actually gave me acupuncture. Here again is the porch, and I provide a Weber grill for people to cook out, and sometimes people cook on the porch with the ceiling fan, or they take the Weber grill over in the grass. Here's another view of the house, and a view of the river in the summertime. It's really beautiful when the leaves are full. And there's early spring. The leaves are about to bloom. And here's my living room. This has been taken down and the xylophone's out, so there's plenty of space now. And I love this window. And here's a desk for anyone who wants to do their work while they are also relaxing, take breaks, get stuff done you have to get done on your laptop. And again, the lyra and the silks are out of there. The xylophone's out. It's just the piano. That's the only instrument. And it's really nice to sit here and have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and look out this window. It's really beautiful. You can see that from out the window when you sit at the table. And that's the view of the windows in the living room facing the porch. This is bedroom number 1. This is a really comfortable mattress. It's Tempur-Pedic, and there's a new bed frame too. And this is the second bedroom. And by the way, these are both double beds. And not pictured here, but it does exist. This sits on a red cedar bedpost now, and it smells really good. And it looks really nice, and this pole has been taken out, so there's plenty of room in here. And this is the bathroom in between the two bedrooms, and it's just a simple bathroom. The house is, I have it up for rent for 4 people, but more people are welcome to come if they want to share the bathroom. And here's another picture of the view in the fall. It's the late fall. A lot of the leaves have dropped, and I like to be upside down. I like to come up here and write music or do my exercises and dance. And here's another picture of the late fall, the Smoky Mountains. So in this area, it's Middle Tennessee. Come out about mid-October to November, and you can see the leaves at their full potential with the autumn colors. Very beautiful. You can experience all 4 seasons here. And that's just another photo of the door facing the porch. Cabinets are new. And this is a place in the county. It is Smith County, by the way. If you want to get out and ride your bike, I recommend this trail. And this is Cordell Whole Lake Beach. And this is really nice too. It's about 10 to 15 minutes from my house if you want some sand for your feet. You want to go fishing? These are the species of fish: largemouth bass, brim, bluegill, crappie, catfish, red deer sunfish, blue catfish, striped bass, rainbow trout, flathead catfish. In case you wanted to know all that. And again, you can go kayaking, paddleboarding, jet skiing, just boating. And I have listed here the local resorts and marinas in the county where you can rent them, or obviously you can bring your own. And this is the Cordell Whole Lock and Dam, which is by my house. If you'd like to go to the visiting center and just do more research about the history of the county, you can go to the Cordell Whole Lake Visitor Center. There's another picture of the dam. And this is just about Cordell Whole Lake is near Carthage, Tennessee, which is near my house. And then the Ring of Fire overlook. It's a cool trail you can get on in Tennessee. Here's just a map. This is where we are when you rent my property, and then you're only an hour from downtown Nashville. And a lot of people don't know that, and Nashville's booming, and I want to talk more about Nashville. If you'd like to go to Nashville for the day or night, there's so much to do, and downtown's literally an hour away. And you can go to this website and see what live venues music is playing in the times. And Nashville is one of the top cities in the country, ranked for bachelorette parties. It's super busy all the time. And you can go to this website if anyone's getting married and you'd like to do that, and make sure you have a DD, designated driver. There's so much going on in Nashville. And this is a picture of just downtown Nashville. And you can also do a trolley tour. So here is a link if you want to go and look up those. The pedal taverns are really, really popular now. And this is the website for that. You can do public ones, corporate ones. They're really fun. And then go to www.opry.com to see who's singing, playing at the Grand Ole Opry. That's Carrie Underwood. And this is the Country Music Hall of Fame, and here's the address if you want to get tickets to go there. The Nashville Symphony's walking distance from the Country Music Hall of Fame, and if you want to get tickets there as well, here's this website. A lot of those venues are really close together in downtown Nashville. All right, and then is my brochure that I made. And it pretty much says everything that I just said. So Rebecca's Relaxing Rentals. For those of you who have been following me, it was Rebecca's Relax Real Estate. And I'm like, man, that doesn't make sense almost, because I'm not selling property, I'm renting it. And so I changed it to Rebecca's Relaxing Rentals. And so I even went back, and fortunately I was able to critique this and change the script. It took about 15 minutes to change it to Relaxing Rentals instead of Relax Real Estate, which is what it said before. So my elevator pitch is in here, split up in different parts. It's not too complex, it's just to the point. And so a lot of this you have just seen, and I've never made a brochure before, so I'm glad I was able to have this opportunity. And then my contact info's down here, and then my logo right here, and my address. This is the address of the property I rent. The website is real until I get Rebecca's relaxingrentals.com. And then these testimonials are real. I pulled them from my Airbnb site. Thank you again for everything, from the kind hospitality to the amazing country experience. And that was from Katie, and she's going to come back this winter. If you are looking for a relaxing getaway, this is the place for you. The views are great, and you are close to a lot of public access points for fishing and kayaking. My favorite part of the house, besides the view, was the large covered porch, and that was from Jamie. He was really nice. And then the rest of the script is pretty much the elevator pitch and what I discussed on my Airbnb site. And it's just simple and to the point. I think it's important because it's a brochure. You don't want to overwhelm me or too much information. All right. Thank you for listening, and everyone have a good day.